overview. Okay, we have what we have covered. So global search, and also how to switch to lightning we have covered, and after that one tabs. Okay, let's switch to lightning experience. Okay, come. Okay, so this global search we have covered, and also what is this called? Remember the name, app launcher. Good. So, and these are called apps, and these are called components. We will discuss this one going forward. And these apps are like in classic right side drop down we have seen apps, right, applications. So these and those are same only. And but here, so few apps are created newly. Those are called lightning applications. Those will be available only in lightning. Okay, this is the app I have created in demo class. And if you want any other app, you can open like this. Just giving a overview about demo class. Okay, so you can see right side, right, this is the app, and these are called tab sections, right, and these are called tabs. And if you want to create a new records, directly clicking and create record from here itself. And this is called global search. From here you can search records, not setup icon. And this is called bookmarks. We can bookmark all the list views, these things. And this is called global action. So you can quickly create any record, these records. And this is called help. And then this is called setup. And like in classic, setup is there, right? So here also setup is there. You can click on the setup and all the configuration items should be displayed in left side. And this is called bell icon. It's like a notification in YouTube, right? Same way. Okay, this is called user icon. Okay, from here you can switch to lightning, or I mean classic, like this way. Okay, good. And from here you can add and remove tabs with the help of plus icon, I mean pencil icon. And what we have discussed, and let's see here about anything. Open any object records, and we have already discussed about creating list views. Okay, and how to display the list view data, and how to control, give the permissions, user permissions, and also what fields we want to display in list views. So those things we have seen with the help of list views. And we have seen common view and table view also. So table view means data will be displayed in rows and columns. Common view means with the help of grouping we can display the data. So like formats, right? So summary format, tabular format in reports, the same way here also we can display. Okay, and we can, with the help of this one, we can edit the records, bulk records we can edit it with the help of this one. Next, so this is called filter for list views. Directly you can click on this one and give filters, like based on record types we can display list views, right? So we can filter that record types from here also. And these are called buttons, and more buttons if you want to see, you can see here itself. Good. And this is called pin, and if you click on any of the list views, right, so next time if you open, so that list view will be displayed by default. Want to click on any one record. Okay, so this is the record detail page, and here activities are there. Activities are nothing but task and event, these things, and details, record details will be displayed. So, and charter, so in a single page we can display everything. That's what the benefit of the Lightning compared to Classic. Anything left from last demo? We have covered everything, right? Good. Okay. And the remaining parts, right? Creating an object. Okay. So in Classic, we have seen how to create objects, right? Here, we don't spend much time on creating objects, creating workflows. I will show you where and where. Okay. So creating an object is nothing but a configuration item. So you need to click on setup icon. Click on setup. Here you can see right side home and object. Guys, please yourself, guys. Okay. So home and object manager. In home, you can see all the configuration items. Okay. And here in the object manager, click on it. You can see all objects, whether standard objects or custom objects. But in Classic, how we can see standard objects and custom objects? Separate. Standard objects will be displayed under customize, right? But custom objects will be displayed so objects and objects, right? Here, like this. So 1 second, guys. Stop sharing. Company పేర్లు కనబడుతున్నాయి. Okay, can you see my screen? Good. So click on setup. Click on objects. From here you can create objects, right? So here you can see all objects, account, activity, asset, all those things, right? Come down. What are the custom objects are there? As of now, no, right? If you want, you can create a custom object also from here. Create a custom object. Create it. So, I mean, guys, can you observe the screen inside this one? It looks like a Classic, right? So what happened here is these configuration items, right? So they kept inside the iframe, outside Lightning, and inside iframe they kept the same Classic into the iframe. So they are running everything inside the Classic only, inside, but outside they have used iframe and Lightning. So that means, so these are all Classic, but outside Lightning. So this is the new arc, right? That is the reason I am creating a custom object. Just now I have created for only Lightning purpose. And create a tab for this also. Next. Screen size will be small, but everything is running inside the Classic only. Okay. Now you can see here. What is this called? Student object detail, right? So these are the description about the object. Okay. And if you click on here, you can see fields. So what are the fields available? These are standard fields. And if you want, you can create a custom field also. Okay. And here page layouts. Like in Classic, here the page layouts also will be there. If you want, you can modify everything. And if you want to create, click on new button and create new page layout also. I'm not creating anything because we know, right, how to create page layout, how to create objects, fields, those things. This is nothing. And buttons and links. Okay. Leave it about all these things. It's like normal custom buttons in Classic. Okay. custom buttons and custom links section is there, right? On the object detail page, same thing. We will discuss this one whenever needed. Okay. Any record types that will be displayed here. Limits, search layouts, triggers, validation rules, all are displaying in the left side. And if you want, you can create from here itself. Okay, click on object manager. How I have gone to this one? So come here down and click on the object. So if you want, you can get that object with the help of search also. Okay, just click on it. And from here, left side, all options are available. These are like standard objects, right? In classic, standard objects under customize, left side, all options are available, right? The same way here also available. Come here, this is classic. Here options are there, right? Partner, triggers, validation rules, fields. Okay, the same way in classic, I mean in lightning also we are seeing this one. Okay, that's all about object. Next one, go to home. Okay.
Mohan,
Yeah, guys, echo sound is coming. Mahendra, lot of echo. I mean, lot of disturbance is there. Chat yourself if you have any questions. We are going still very basic, guys. Yeah. What is necessary to change entire UI from classic to lightning? So that's I already explained in my demo class, Mahendra. So the main purpose is, so two things you need to remember. Out of the box functionalities, so many out of the box functionalities are invented by Salesforce, and lightning is support for mobile, iPod, and also desktop, large screens, whatever it may be. Single code will be supported to different devices. So code will be responsive. So that is the main thing. And second thing is, so many out of the box functionalities are given by lightning, and quickly we can finish the job. Job means work. Okay, next. So workflows, right? Come here. You can see workflow actions, workflow rules. If you want, you can directly search from here, field updates, workflow actions, right? Email alert. And from here, click on continue. And here you can create any workflow rules. Okay. So it's like a classic screen only. Email alert, whatever it may be, like this. And process builder, if you want, same way. Approval process is there, like this. Click on the approval process. Okay, come down and create, select object, like in classic. Come down, create new approval process, same way. Done. Next, process builder. See here, click on process builder. Okay, new process builder, like this. You can create all the things. Click on home button. Okay, so profiles and users, whatever you want, you can search from here also. Click on profiles. From here you can search everything inside the box. So that's all about the admin part, guys. Okay, so if you want, I mean in classic you have worked on so many configuration items, right? You can use lightning also in the search box setup. You can search it. Okay, next, let's create a lightning component. Okay, so if you want to create a lightning component, we need to have domain. Okay, we need to have domain. Under my domain, you can create your own domain. Simply you can come here, my domain search. So this lightning will run only on domain. Click on my domain, and if you want, you can enter your domain from here. And from classic also, if you want to create, come here, and in classic search for my domain. Click on this one, and from here also you can enter. So screens will be both same. Okay, training. Okay, I'm giving one name. So what is the use of domain? Domain will be displayed in the URL, right? So with the help of domain only we can run everything. So as of now, remember this one, ap15 salesforce.com. Okay, copy this one. The URL will be changed going forward. Check the availability, register your domain. Like uh, in outside sites, right, you are registering domains, right? So GoDaddy, these kind of things. Same way here also we can register our own domain. And register domain, click on it, come down, and it is registering. Once it is done, okay, it will be available. We need to wait for some more time. Refresh this one. It will take some time to register the domain, guys. So currently you are in step 2. So choose the domain name and domain registration is pending. Once this is done, yes, it's mainly focused on security purpose. So every domain will be in their own servers, right? And they have their own securities. And so if you want to open any kind of this, what is this, sites, scripting issues are there, right? If you see any, so if you open one screen to another screen, so if you want to move from, like in HTML, if you have seen, right? So in examples I have showed you, right? If you want to click on the link, output link, it will ask you whether if you want to move to one, I mean this W3 schools or not site. It will check for the security kind of things in the back end. Okay, so for the safer side, they will use these things. Username, how it will secure. Usernames don't depend upon the domains, guys. Remember, usernames and those things don't depend on the what is that, domains. Usernames will be depend on the Salesforce servers securities, like Gmail, how it is secure to you. Same way Salesforce will provide security. If you trust cloud, you need to trust your username and password will be secured. You need to trust, that's it. So backend they have given a lot of things to provide security. So like to log into Salesforce, everybody know about SSO kind of things, and log in with different mechanisms like password authentications, and also sometimes you will get no, what is that called, OAuth, authentication kind of things. All these comes under security purpose only. You can secure your usernames, those kind of things, right, with the help of that one only. So that don't depend on this the domains. Don't compare this security with the domain. Let's refresh this one. Yes. Okay, so now you can see that this is the domain. Okay, let's see here. So domain is created, registered, done. Now we need to log in with this domain. Servers will be changed with this domain. Previously ap15, right? Actually that is a data center. Their servers will be there, our server. Okay, now this domain, right, is located in another server. So we are logging with that only. It will redirect to different servers. Okay, we are on step 3. Domain is ready. Okay, good. Now you can see, right, previously it is ap15 salesforce.com. Now it is changed. So server is changed. Now deploy to users, you need to click on. Once you click on, then this domain will be available for all the users. So they can log in with this domain and they are able to work within this domain. Okay, that's it. My domain, everything is ready. Okay, and here authentication configuration. So if you want to log in with the domain name only, you can check this one. Okay, not this one. Login. and authentication service. So one second, let me go back. Not here. This one, sorry. So login policy. If you want to log in with the domain name, then click on this one. So if you want to log in with a normal login.salesforce.com, again uncheck this one. How you are login with your salesforce.com, login.salesforce.com, right? Generally. So if you want to log in with, if you click on this one, the screen will be like this, right? So if you don't want like that, if you want to log in with your domain, select this one, and you need to remember the domain, right? You need to give this domain, and after that one you can log in into Salesforce. Okay, leave it. I don't want to prevent my login with, because everybody are adapted with login.salesforce.com, right? Okay, it's okay. So these are all about this one. Next, domain is registered, right? Done. Next, we are able to create our lightning component. I mean, before domain also we are able to create lightning domain, but if you want to run that lightning, I mean lightning components in the lightning app, the output will not be displayed. Okay, the lightning apps will be run only on the lightning domain, on our domains only. Okay, let's see. Let's create one lightning component. Okay, so in how many ways we can create lightning components? Generally, with the help of developer console only we can create our lightning component as of now. Otherwise, with the help of deployments also we can create lightning components. Creation. One is from developer console, and second one is deployments. Okay, we will deploy from one arg to one another arg, right? If you have a metadata, then we will deploy it. Two ways. Okay, go to developer console. However you want, you can go here. Developer console. From here, okay. So now we are on the developer console. I hope everybody are familiar with the developer console, right? Yeah. Here file, new, what is this called? Lightning component. Click on this one. So from here you can create lightning component. Create one lightning component September 28th, right? September 28th. First LTNG. So select all those things, at least above 3. Forget about lightning communities and quick actions. If you want, you can select. Check all these things. I will explain later this one. So lightning tab, lightning page, record home. Unit, we will discuss these 3 also. Okay. Once you select it, right, your lightning component will be like this. Aura. So actually Aura framework, this one. So going forward, we will see what is Aura framework and what are the things available in Aura framework also. This is Aura framework. This implements is there, right? So I have selected the checkboxes 5, right? I asked you to remember those things. So those 5, if you select, and that options will be displayed here. So the use of these implements, right, I will explain later, but not now. Wait. So forget about those 5. And next, access global. Access global, public and private, 3 are there generally. So private means within this component or within this app, but public means, so this is the one arg, right? Salesforce arg. Within the entire arg, I can access this lightning component, like Apex class only, same as it is. And global means, so if you have created one arg, right? So you can access my component also. Generally, I'm saying like that. That is nothing but a global. So from other args also we can access this one. And like communities, so work on different. Okay, so from communities also we can access those kind of things. Global means. Okay, so right side we have closed and opened. Like everybody know about the tags, right? In HTML everything, right? Tag structure, tag, open, closed, and inside however you want you can use it. Tag, open it, close it, inside again and again. So like however you want we can use the tags inside and inside, outside and outside, like that way. The same way in components, right? So ara component, this is the syntax. Even you no need to remember it, but no problem, everything will be given by Salesforce only. Here they have given implements equal to something they have given, and access, right? Global, public or private. So inside you can use ara tags, HTML tags, HTML tags and ara tags, you can use both. Okay, ara tag, open it, ara tag, close it, like that. And HTML tag, open it, and HTML tag, close it. I am explaining from very basic, guys. Somebody doesn't know, right? So that is the reason. Inside ara tag also, again if you want you can use HTML tags also, no problem again. Okay, so copy the HTML tag like that. Okay, ara tag. So inside the HTML tag also you can use ara tags however you want. So this is the basic structure of the ara component. So in Lightning components we don't use JavaScript, but we will use that ara framework, right? The model. So controller, handler, these things are there, right? So that's a separate to Salesforce, and in the backend JavaScript only running, but directly JavaScript we don't use. Get element by those things. So Salesforce itself provided those kind of things with the help of different syntaxes. Yeah. Okay.
Controller we are using basic JavaScript or also in depth we are using
Here, so in controller, right? So Lightning controller, not in Apex class controller. So question is, in Lightning controllers are we using basic JavaScript or not? So what I say is very basic JavaScript to use in Lightning components, not in Lightning web components. Okay, Lightning components very basic, that too very rare only we use. Don't worry about that one. This format is quite different. Okay, it's okay. Now I have created, we will go one basic thing. This is my first ara component. Save it. Okay, now I have created one ara component. How to see the output? Okay, how to see the output? You have to create different ways. So it will be available for everything, whether a tab like Visual Force page we have added, right? Tab, and whether to the home page, and different are there, record page, those things. And also this will be available for application also. So first we will see application, and after that one we will see the remaining Lightning experience also. Component availability, or display the component. Okay, one way is from Lightning application, a Lightning app. Let's see here how to create a Lightning app. So file, new, again you can see, right, Lightning app, click on this one. So give just app. Okay, Lightning out dependency, if somebody know, right, that will be used generally in Visual Force pages. If you want to use Lightning component in VF page, so we can use Lightning dependency also. So merging VF page with the Lightning also. Okay, that we will discuss later. Light ara application, right? Good. Now you can see here, you need to use inside. So have you guys know about Visual Force page, keeping our custom Visual Force components inside the Visual Force page. Have you guys know, right? Yes, not that one. Custom Visual Force components. VF components are there actually. So reusable purpose, we use Visual Force components, not page block, these things. So Apex component is there. Okay, reusable purpose. So, huh? No, that's quite different. The topic is quite different. Okay, so in real time we use those topics also. Same way here also we use C colon and a component name. What is the component name? SCPT 28th, you can see here. Okay, FIRST first, LTNG. Okay, close this one and save it. That's it. I have used rate. That's it. I have kept my lightning component inside the lightning app and just click on the preview right side. What is this? This is my first ARA component. That is the output. Okay. Okay. So have you observed any design kind of things? Let's try here. Force. This one called extends. Syntax I need to remember. హలో బాబాయ్ నేను మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, have you observed any difference from previous screen to this screen? Design, letters and everything is changed, and back end color also is changed. If you don't use this extends, what will happen? See here, this is the output. It's like a normal text, like in Visual Force page. And if you use Force SLDS, what happened? Extending, changing, right? Styles are changed. I will just give you a brief description about CSS also today. Don't worry, that one also. 10 minutes we will discuss about CSS, normal CSS. So because frameworks, they don't know how to use any framework. So if you know about CSS, how to use, right? So we can easily understand the framework, Bootstrap, whatever it may be. Company's own frameworks also. So this extends, right? That will give you this one. So what is that one? What is that meaning? I will tell you. Okay. So in general, in the back end, what will happen? So if you know about the styles, 3 type of styles are there: internal, inline, external. So you will keep your styles in one file. Okay, and in Visual Force page, right? If you want to capture that files, we will keep that file in the static resources, and from there we are getting the styles, right? So from external, the same way in Salesforce, this Force SLDS, right? If we use this tag, what will happen? One file is there in the back end in the cloud server. Okay, so they are giving access. So in that file, all styles will be declared. Okay, all, I mean, CSS styles will be declared. So classes, these things, and just they have given predefined class names. If you use that class name, automatically we will get the styles generally. So if you use Force SLDS by default, so this component, right, in the backend will be created in one style format, and the styles are applied, lightning styles are applied by default. They have created in that way. That I will show you generally, not fully. So how we can compare with normal CSS to lightning framework also. We will discuss this one going forward. Now you need to understand the difference between the SLDS without SLDS also. Okay.
Yeah, Mohan, one question.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, here force.slds some files will put in the server, right? Who will give that files and how it will access?
So Salesforce by default kept that servers, and we don't need to get that access. If you want access, right, directly, you can use this syntax. That is enough. There is no separate access for that.
Means by default, Salesforce will give that
By
files,
default, exactly.
Okay.
By default,
Okay.
that is on the public servers. Okay.
Okay.
Question is, I mean, do you have any permissions to get? Do you have any access to get this force.com SLDS? I mean, styles files. from Salesforce. Okay, there is no permissions, directly we will get those things if we use simply. Good.
Okay.
So any questions on lightning, I mean component? And right side you can see these are the bundle, these kind of things. Okay, let's go to lightning component. Here what is this called? Component. Currently you are on component, so this is called a bundle. So if you don't use these things, any lightning, everything, say Visual Force page is there generally. So how we create a CSS styles and how we store? Generally in a VF page we can create it, or in a separate page we can create it and get it from the static resources. Okay, and that file is different. And how we are writing the JavaScript code? In the script functionality we will write the JavaScript also. Simply apex page, okay, apex page, here head, body. Okay, in the head generally we displayed about styles only, right? But in the body we can use our HTML tags also, right? Okay, so JavaScript if you want you can keep at the end of the here only body. So once everything is loaded, then we will keep our JavaScript here. Here we will write our functions. Okay, so like this we will call, right? So everything is inside. If you want a JavaScript separately, not here, so generally how we can call? From here, include script, apex include script tag is there. Okay, value, from here we can call our JavaScript from the static resources. We will create all the JavaScript functions inside one file, keep it inside the static resources and get that from the include script attribute. Here resource generally dot file name. Okay, so like this we will use inside or separately. That is the Visual Force page bundle. Think about everything, styles and scripting and everything. But coming to lightning component, they have given separate files. Okay, no need to merge everything. So that's nothing but ARA bundle. So component will have HTML kind of things. Okay, only HTML kind of things, tags only, component tags and HTML. And controller. Okay, this one used like JavaScript. Think if you want to write JavaScript, right here we can write it. Okay, and next one, helper. Helper is like utility class. Like if you know Apex classes, right? So reusable purpose we are writing one class, Apex class, and we can call that class somewhere else, right? So this is like utility. Helper is nothing but utility for front-end framework, not for the back-end framework. Front-end framework is nothing but JavaScript kind of things. Exactly, both are same. Helper and control both are same. So helper used, so main logic will be written in the helper. Okay, that will be reused in so many places inside the controller also. Okay, reusable purpose. Helper is nothing but a utility kind of things. Like a trigger helper class is there, right? In trigger we will write only tags, events. So before insert, before update, those kind of things. And in helper class the main logic will be there, right? Same way in Java, this one also, controller contains main things, calling things, passing things, and helper contain whole logic, main logic. Like that we can use it. We can also, but what happened if you don't use helpers, right? So many, I mean JavaScript functionalities are there here, so many functions are there, so developers will get confused. If everything is there in a single screen, definitely will get confused. So it will take time to understand the code also. That is the reason they have given helper. So in separately you can write your logic in a helper and reuse also, and reusable purpose also will be used. That means if you write one method in a helper class, come to controller, in this function you can call the method and again write one more function and call the same method. Okay,
So Actually, in helper we write methods and controller we call it.
Exactly. Basically, my action 2 also, but both will work same. Okay, both will work same. Helper will be used for reusable purpose and dividing, splitting our code in a separate way, so that developers can easily understand the code. Only for that purpose only. Okay, that is a helper. Same. Can you observe the difference? So you can use same thing also here and copy here. That going forward we will see how to use this one also. There is no difference, guys. Both are same only. If you want, you can keep this one and keep it inside the helper also. No problem. Okay. And after that one we will see how to pass the arguments, how to do everything. We will discuss going forward. Not now. Styles. So I told you, right? If you want to write a style in a Visual Force page, okay, so three type of styles are there: inline, external, and internal. So inline is there, right? Inline, and apart from internal is there. Internal means in a header section we will use our styles, right? Same way here also we will write our styles, some styles, and we will use it. That I will show you. Next, documentation. Leave it about the documentation about this component, bundle component, everything. Whatever you want, you can write it. And re-render things. This component will be used in another component or somewhere else. Generally in Visual Force, what is the meaning of re-render? Refreshing the partial page. Same way we can use that meaning also. Designing. So designing means if you use this lightning component in lightning experience, okay, passing arguments, inputs, right? So like that, if you want to pass arguments, we can design here itself. That also we will see. Everything we will see. Don't worry. Just I will give. Just giving you overview about one by one. SVG means icons, image icons are there, right? Generally, those comes under SVG. Those things. We don't use this thing also. Don't worry. We will directly use that main SVG. Whatever you want, we can fetch it. This is just overview, and if you are in confusion, no problem. We will be clear going forward. Can you tell about the design? Click on the design. If you declare one tags attributes, so what is the use of apex method? Apex method, arguments method. Tell me, what is use of arguments? One method passing arguments generally. So go to developer console or whatever it may be. Here, if you write an apex class my class my class. Okay. Here, public constructor. Okay, forget it. So if it is an argument, generally if you are instantiating this class from other class, okay, how you instantiate? CLS new. Here you need to pass argument. That is must, right? If you don't pass, what will happen? Okay, what is the use of passing arguments? Customizing the, so reusing this one wherever you want, you can pass the arguments from outside and utilizing that apex class, right? Instead of declaring this str statically, we can dynamically pass from outside. So that is the meaning of design here. Lightning component is there. We will keep our component in somewhere, okay, and passing arguments here also there. Okay, passing arguments means, so it will show you what you want to pass. Display fields. Suppose think about lead is there. Okay, which lead you want to display generally. So if you pass those two arguments, so lead with a name something, and that lead details will be displayed inside the component generally. So how to pass means we need to declare that inside the design component, those tags attributes. Okay, that is a high level. Again, if you see the output, then only you can get clear picture. Just to pass the inputs to the lightning component, we use design. That's it. Next, any questions? Yeah. Okay, lightning app, right? Yeah. This one is a standard syntax. We use all lightning components. So like this only. If you want to call lightning component, so you need to call like this way. This is the component name. C colon. This is the syntax. Here you need to give lightning component name. Any component, not only this one. If you create one more component, you can keep like this one. Let me create one more component. Okay? C means component. Have you not gone through Visual Force components? Apex component is there. So you are creating Visual Force component inside the Apex component, and if you want to use that Visual Force component inside the Visual Force page, you need to use C colon only. C colon, okay, VF component name, okay, and here attribute name, attribute value you need to pass. Okay, this is how Visual Force page. If you know Visual Force page components, it is very easy. But remember the syntax. You don't need to remember it. Simply see here. Salesforce will remember if you use C colon. It will be a component. Okay, Salesforce will know if you use this syntax. Okay, it will fetch, it will check, search what are the components. Okay, from all the components it will search, and if we give any component, let's try save it. What is happening here? I told to Salesforce, Salesforce already captured those things. In the backend, Salesforce will capture whether this component is there or not, SCPT. If that component is not there, then it will throw error. If it is there, it will fetch the data. Clear? Yeah. But syntax you need to remember. C colon, that's it. They have defined the syntax in that way. That's it. Now see the output. If you want, you can create one more component and add that lightning component. Second. Okay. I have created one more component and clear. Save it. So now you remember the second component, right? If you want to use second component, again you need to use C colon. What is the second component? SCPT 28th SCCOND second. Okay, save it and refresh it. My second component. Clear? Like that, how many components you want, you can add like that way. Any questions? Okay, good. No need. No need. That's we are going to discuss now. So question is, I mean, are we going to use components only in application? Okay, if you want to use component, do we need to use only application or any other things are there? So that is the question. No, we can use in other things also. I told, right, home page, record page, and lightning experience tabs also. So we can use the components there also. That's we are going to see now. Okay, before going to that one, let's go and create app builder. That's you need to know about the app builder. This is the brief introduction about lightning component, lightning application. So going forward, we will see full use case. So now app builder. Okay. So I think you are familiar with the app builder. Something. So certifications also they will use, right? App builder exams, those kind of things, right? So we will see what is the app builder and what are the options available in the app builder also. Click on setup. Search for app builder. Lightning app builder. Under user interface, you can see Lightning app builder. Okay, click on this one. Oh dear, it takes time. Okay, so now we are going to create one app builder. Right. Click on new button. Okay. These are three options which are available under app builder. Okay, app page, home page, record page. We will see one by one. So what is app page and where we can use app page? What is home page? Where we can use home page? What is record page? Where we can use home record page? These three things are important. So if you work in real time, so you need to know about the app builder. What are the three options? App page, home page, next record page. So first we will see app page. Select app page, click on next button and give one label, app builder one app page. Give the name so that we don't get confused. Okay, click on next button and here, so these are the styles. This is the desktop, this is the iPod, this is the iPod some different size, I mean left turn that iPod, and this is a phone, mobile phones. The output will be like this, layouts 1 2 3. See here, that is the layout. Header part and body part will be divided into two ways. Left side occupied a little bit space, right side occupied more space, like that. So just so designing and everything should be observation, guys. Remember, if you want to do any design, if you want to design anything, you need to observe thoroughly. So height, width, color, those things should be in your brain. Then only it will be very easy to understand the given functionality. Right side, see here, is it changed? Somewhat changed. Space will be occupied more for the 2. Previously for 2 small space and for 3 big space, like that. So these are the different styles. So see here directly, if you create one app page, okay, so the output will be like this. That's what they are showing ultimately. Okay, I'm just selecting this one and finish this one. Where are you? Under app builder, you can see the URL. Okay, visual editor under app builder. So we have selected one design, right? Now you can see the design. Top left side little bit space and here body more space, right side. That is the design we have selected. Based on that one, this will be displayed. Okay, now so see here, what are there? Options: standard, custom, forget custom, manager, leave it. Now you can see under custom, what are these two? Two components. So we have created components and those will be displayed here. So let's see here. Remember, I have selected, while creating a lightning component, I have selected all checkboxes. Remember, just remember. Okay, if you want, you can keep this one. I will explain that one, not now. Okay, like this way. And if you want to display second component, you can keep this component here. Okay, two components and top. Okay, one more is there. It's like a page layout, guys. If you see page layout, drag and drop, same, that's it. Charter feed, list view, just take it on list view. These are standard components which are created by Salesforce, not by us. So right side, have you remember this one? Filters, object, list views. In demo class, we have explained while creating one new list view, these things, right? Utilities we have added while creating a application, lightning application, we have created utilities. So under utility bar, we have added list view and charter feed also, remember? So you can see that same way here, right side. Filters, which object you want to select, account, campaign, or whatever it may be, list view. What type of, if you want to select contact, contact list view will be displayed. This is refreshing, observing. Yes, can you observe? Left side is refreshing while you are changing right side. And how many records you want to display? If you want to display 10 records, you can see here. 10 records are displaying. Okay, I want to display 5 records. Just keep it outside. Then that is refreshing. You can directly see the output. Action bar for hide and leave it, about those things. These are small things. Search bar. So here search is there, right? If you want to hide that search also, just hide it. If you want to keep search, no search, right? Like this. Small things. You can just check and uncheck and observe it. Okay, filters. We have remembered, right? Filters also we have added. So which type of list we want to display? Among all those contacts, so I want to display only few contacts. Like country equal to India. Indian contacts only if you want to display. State equal to Telangana. Only Telangana contacts if you want to display. It's like a filtering. If you want, you can add filters. That we have already seen in our demo class. Okay, that's it. What is the type of the page? App page. Okay. And now you can see here phone. Click on this one. How it will be displayed? You can see the output here itself. Sometimes it will take load issues are there. No problem. Okay. So this will be displayed in the phone like this. All contacts. Okay. This will be. You can search it. Tablet and tablet landscape. Landscape means this width is more. Exactly. That's it. So observe that one. Small things only these are. So it is taking time, right, to load that. Okay, this is the, you can see 3 things, left, right, bottom here, components. Okay. Output. So go with the desktop. Currently we are using desktop, right? Go with that one. So 100% zoom it will do show. See here. Fully occupied zoom. If you don't want to see like this, shrink to view. Perfectly it will view. Okay. Refresh means again in the back end data is there. Suppose somebody updated, that will be refreshed and displayed again. Okay. So clear everything. Undo, redo. Control Z, Control Y. Okay. Settings will be changed. Something. That's it. Copy and those things will be there. Cut. Copy it. So those things. And finally, click on Save button. And you can see this name of the app page, and here you can see pages. Okay. So as of now we have not completed this one, so otherwise page will be displayed here. For the second one you can see the page. Save it. Okay. Activate this page to make it visible to all your users. So you are not only one user in the Salesforce org, so many users are there in real time. So if they want to see, we need to activate this one first. Okay. If you don't want to activate right now, you can click on not act, so that this page will be available to you and others cannot see. Which one? What is the question?
In our personal org only, sir.
Yeah, personal org only.
Everybody can see.
No, everybody cannot see. This is for my org. Okay, my org, so many users are there in the real time and license based. Okay, so my org can be utilized by some other projects. In that projects, team is there, marketing team, sales team, or service team. So they can see or they cannot see based on this option. So it will not reflect to your org. Your org is different, my org is different. I have activated it. Now you can see this one. Okay, activation. So activate to what? That's you need to remember. Activate for all users, simply permissions. So activate only for system admin, Okay, these are permissions, app permissions, like same way here. This is the app name. If you want to change icon, I can change it. That's it. Okay, and the lightning experience mobile. If you want to go there, so in the lightning experience, all applications are there. As of now, we have seen applications, right? Sales, service, those things. If you want to give separate permissions to this, that means if you select only sales, this will be displayed only for sales, not for other applications, like that. If I select service console, this will be displayed only for service console application. Understand? That's it. Okay, so I don't want to select only sales or service, these kind of things. Cancel. Again, try to save it. Okay, done. Activation, right side. Again, if you want to get it back, right, you can click on activation button and you can select these things. Mobile, you can drag it, leave it. Now no, nothing is there, right? Good. So for everything it will be displayed. Leave it. Now activation is done, right? Click on save it. So here you can see changes saved, and click on back button. That's it. You have created one app page. Remember the names. You have to remember the names. App page. Click on back button. Okay, you are on setup, right? So keep it like this. Okay, see here. What is this? App page. So type is app page and you have created just now. How to use this one? App launcher. Go to any other things. Sales. Okay, here. So that app page will be displayed anywhere. Okay, so let me check one more time. If that is not available, we need to create the tab also. Let's see here. What is the app page? September. Okay, leave it, no problem. Come to app launcher. Under app items, here I have created, right? Let's search here also. SCPT. I mean, have I not given any permissions to that one? Let me go back, guys.
App builder. App builder.
It's not. That will be displayed as a tabs generally. If you give the permission properly, that will be displayed. App builder. Click on this one. It will take more time. Okay, open this one. We need to check the permissions. Am I given to argwide defaults, or have I not given to activation? Go here where you need to give the permissions, under activation only. Let's click on activate for all users. Okay, lightning experience. Let's give sales. Lightning sales I have added and save it. Activation successful. Come here and try to refresh this one. Try to refresh it again. Okay, add more items. Let's see here. I have added, right? Which one? I have given name as app builder. Oh, sorry. Sorry, it's my mistake, spelling mistake, searching mistake. Thank you. I thought September directly I have given. Okay, save it. I forgot the name, guys, and I am searching with a different name. That is the reason I'm not getting this one. Okay, and you can see here app builder one page, but I am searching for September something. That is the reason I am not getting that one. Now you can see the output. List view is contacts list view I have given. Okay, I have not added any filters. Okay, here search also I have unchecked it. It is displaying, and here you can see this component, first component and second component. Okay, so how we have added app page, we have created with the help of app builder, and we have added to tab. Okay, let's see here. So app launcher, directly if you search from here also, what is that one? App builder, this is the one. Previously I have searched for, okay, so previously I have searched for September. That is the reason I am not getting correct value. Okay, app builder, right? Okay, this is the one. From here also you can click directly, it will be open. Okay, let's go to another service console or service. Go to service, simply we can easily identify this one, no problem. Click on service. Can we see this one? No, right? Okay, because we have added to only sales there, that is the reason. Okay, that's it. So now tell me where is sales? Okay, this is the main disadvantage for lightning components. Time takes more, loading and loading, loading and loading. That is the main disadvantage, and it will be covered with the help of lightning web components only. Okay, come here. What we have discussed under app page. Now tell me. Step by step. We have gone to app builder, right? And next, selected
Create label.
app
Select
page. Okay, page, then created, and after,
label.
yeah, label, given label, and after that permissions are added, right? At the end permissions are added. Once design is completed, at the end permissions are added and activated. Okay, that's it. And where we have used, creation is done. Next, use case, where we have used. In permissions we have selected, right? So on this application, for all these users, right? So there we have used applications as a tabs. We have used on tabs. So how we have used on tabs? Use case, two places. With the help of app launcher, we can landed, right? App launcher, select for or search for this app page, and just click on this one. It will be added to tab, right? That's it. And second search is go to app. What is the question? Lightning web component. So this course, right? In this course itself, I will give a brief introduction about lightning web components also. That is sufficient for now. Okay. So after next year, they might use lightning web components fully, not fully. So going forward, they will increase to use lightning web components. Full use case about the lightning web component is it will load very quickly compared to lightning. So how much time it is taking? Slowly it is taking, right? That's it. Okay, go to app, come to topics. What is the one? Next, adding, selecting the pencil mark, adding the tab to application. Screens will be, I mean, you cannot remember the screens. Might be will get confused about that one, but you need practice. Once you see, you have seen the video, right? You can easily remember that one. So adding pencil mark and click on add and remove the tabs. So the tab page will be available as a tab. That you need to remember. That's it. Second one, home page. Okay. Here, if you open one app, okay. So what is this called? Home page. What are the things are displaying in home page? Quarterly and assistance. These are the screens which are displaying on home page, right? Remember the screen. Let's go to app builder and create one new app builder. Okay, let's see here. From here also you can create it, new page also. Okay, you can click on this one and you can select this one and create it. Okay, this is one way, and the other way is generally go back, go to setup. First follow the standard approach so that you will remember easily. Standard approach you can follow right now. Search for, tell me that, app builder, app builder. Okay, click on lightning app builder. Currently we are on there, but I'm just showing again because you need to remember the navigation. Click on this one. It will take some more time to load this one again. Now here, from here you can click on new 907. Okay, so here click on home page. You can see here, see the screen, sales, right side home is the right, that you are going to change. Standard home page given by Salesforce. Now you are going to create one more new home page. This home page will be replaced. Okay, I mean this page will replace the old home page. That is the output that we are going to see. Custom home page. Okay, click on next button. Give app builder one home page. Okay, next button, and this is the design. See here boxes, right? So you can add components like this. This is one block, this is another block, another block, another. 4 blocks are there. You can add your whatever you want, those things to these 4 blocks. Output, whether it is a component, whether it is a standard list views. Okay, that is also nothing but a standard component, right? Customer standard components. Any component you can use inside the block. Yeah, any question? Yeah, you can call component simply block or component, no problem. Finish it. Now left side you can always see left side lightning components, standard and custom, and these 3 will be available always. Standard means given by Salesforce. Okay, that's it. And custom means which we have created just now. Okay, so see the design. Can you see the blocks? This is 4 blocks. And right side, so this is about details about this one. What is the page type? Home page. In one block only one component we have to add. Yes, exactly, you can add one component only for one block. Okay, and if you want to add one more component below that one also you can add it. Okay, and in one component also one component again inside you can create one components also like that, no problem. Like this you have added, right? Second component, try to add it below only about that component. Now 2 components you have added inside the one component. Okay, Mahendra, clear? No limitations. Generally we follow standards, because if we have added more components, what will happen? Page load will be happen. So that's it. Yeah, We need to think in that way only. Output, how output it is affecting the output. That's it, simply. So how to remove the component here? Click on here. You can see here, right? A small thing. Just click on this one. It will be removed. If you want, you can come here. Shrink 100%. See here. Scroll. If you want, you can see here. This one, right? Delete the component. Okay. Click on this symbol. Component will be deleted. Okay. Again, if you want, you can add this one. Bottom, if you want, you can add wherever you want. Just add that here and add that home page to here, and standard components, right? Any charter feed kind of things, right side. Recent records here. I have changed my whole home page. Now this is the output of my home page. Okay, custom home page. And if you want, you can click on this one, any component. Right side, you can see filters. For each component, you can add your own filters. Okay. What will happen? You know one thing. So Mahendra asked one question. What is the use of that bundle? What is this called? Design is there, right? I showed you. Where is that? Go to component. We are in app, right? Design. So like this filters we can add. If you add the design there, right, it will be displayed as a filter. Here add filter is there, right? So if you click on like this, you can add one filter, right? Like this it will be displayed. If you add one design, so you can pass arguments here so that you can filter your component also. Yes, no problem. Okay. So any component, click on it, and right side you can see filters. That we have already discussed, and I'm not going to show you again. It's okay. That's it. And again save it. Okay, activate it. Once the activation is done, it will be displayed to permissions. Okay, if you want to close it, again click on activation button. If you want, from here you can see the activation. If you want to activate this home page to org defaults, generally, so this org, my developer org, right? So this home page will be default. So if you open, if you have any user inside my org, right? Even you open, some other users are open. So this home page, my custom home page will be displayed to all the users. That is a OWD. What is a OWD? If you give public, that record default, so it will be displayed. Account records will be displayed to all users. If you give OWD as a public read only, read write to account object. The same way this one. And this is called only assigned app, specific apps. If you want to specific, and that home page will be displayed to only that specific applications. If you give sales, right, only available for sales application. Okay, now you can see sales application. And what is the home page? Our home page, and save it simply. Okay, I have given only for sales application. Now save it again after that one. Once the activation is done, you can save it. That's it. Go back again. Click on go back. Just follow the order, guys. So that you will not confuse. Step by step come for few more days, so that you will not get confused. Even though if it take time, no problem. This is the simplest approach to understand the Lightning. Step by step approach is a good approach. Go back and come step by step. Okay. Two things. What is this one? Type is home page. Let's go back and refresh the. Now this is the previous home page, right? See the screen. Refresh the screen. Is it changed or not? It is changed. Okay. So this is what we have added. Custom home page. Let's go to service. Click on service application. This is standard homepage, not our custom homepage, because we have added this homepage, custom homepage, to only sales application. That is the reason it is displaying only for sales application. I have not added to service application. That is the reason it is not displaying to service application. Go to sales now. Click on sales application. Now you can see our custom homepage. That is clear. Good. So let's see step by step. Come homepage. One. What are the steps? Navigation we need to remember, and next use case. Always remember navigation, use case in Lightning, so that you will remember. I mean, you will understand the Lightning easily. Navigation, uses. That's it. What is the navigation? App builder. Tell me, guys. Next.
Select
Type is
homepage.
homepage. Okay. Type equal to
Homepage.
homepage. And after that one, create and give permissions. Okay. Create and add components. Finally, give the
Activate.
permissions. That is nothing but activation. Available to display only on one app or another apps. Okay, that's simply. Save it finally. Okay. Next step, where we have used use case. Where we have used one is simply overriding homepage only. That's it. Only one place. Okay. It will replace the standard or existing homepage based on the given permissions. Okay. Permissions to app, right? Which permission if you have given, I mean on which app, and that app only it will be overridden. Clear? Any questions, guys, as of now? Yeah, one component. So standard styling is given by them, so we have to use that styling only. No problem. That is their one. We cannot modify that standard styling, sir. And background colors and those things we can modify it. Okay. So it should be unique. I told you right in the demo class. So if you see all other orgs, right, always Lightning is unique. This homepage is like this. If you go to another org, another company, so it's like standard only. They are following standard approaches. So that's it. Yeah.
It is acting as a app or object, sir.
So app only. Home is nothing but a tab or a app. Generally tab. So it won't act as a object. So app contains many number of objects. Generally tabs, right? So tab contain many number of things like that. So Lightning is quite different. Don't compare with classic. So many out of the box functionalities are there. I told you, right? These are called those things. Okay. And but it is acting as an app only. Okay, that's it. Any other questions?
Yeah, Mohan, one question.
One question, Nag. Oh, 1 minute, Nag. Yeah, somebody are asking.
One more black. Already default.
Which one?
Black.
Yeah.
Okay. We can add one more black.
So one more black you can't add. That's what is question. So can we add one more black? So no. Whatever they have given, right? Blocks, 4 blocks. It is given by Salesforce. So you can utilize those blocks, and based on that one, you can change your stylings.
We have different type of patterns.
So yeah, you can change that one. No problem. But while selecting home page, only 4 blocks will be there. That is given by Salesforce. You need to use that one only. That is a standard Salesforce design functionality. That's it. So Nag, now tell me.
Yeah, model. Can I know that MVC model in Lightning application?
So MVC model, if I tell right now, everything will be confused. Understand? So I told you right in the RA bundle, I explained what is the model. What is the RA model? Here you need to understand the RA bundle. I explained previously.
Yeah. Yes.
Component. Okay.
Uh,
If you
uh,
this contains HTML elements, he is asking MVC model right now itself. Okay. It's okay. I will tell you in a high level again. So write the HTML here. Yeah. And after that one, it will be fetched. These HTML will be fetched with the help of controller or helper. These are front-end controllers, UI controllers. Okay. It's nothing but a JavaScript.
okay.
Okay. And after that one, from this controllers, you can call to Apex controller, our Apex classes. From this controllers only, you can call our Apex classes. And from that Apex classes, the response will be displayed and come to either a controller method or a helper method. Okay. And from there too, we can push to component again. That is a model here we are using. Clear, Nag?
Yeah.
While we are seeing, right, I will explain again. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay. So can we take a break for 15 minutes right now, guys?
Okay, sure.
1 hour 30 minutes over, right? So I will pass the recording. If you want to keep, we'll keep here. Okay. Just I'm passing the recording.
This conference will now be recorded.
Mute in, guys. Can you please put mute? Okay. What we have seen, we have created a app page and we have created a home page. App page can be used in any of the tabs and also we can use in utility bar also. Utility bar, you remember, right? While creating application, lightning application, bottom I have showed in demo class, right? Utility, there also you can use it, no problem. And the home page will be used only for home page. And third one, what is the third one? Record page. Okay, third one, record page. Okay, go to one record, any record, go to leads or accounts, whatever it may be. Okay, click on any one. Okay, so what is this called? Record detail page. Generally in classic, how we can define this one? Go to page layout and we can change it, right? So here this is called record page, that we are going to modify this record page with the help of our own custom record page. We are going to replace also. You can replace this record page also. If you click on any lead record, right? So we will create one custom record page and we will replace this one also. Like home page, how we are replacing home page, custom home page replacing the existing one. So like the same way, custom record page, we will override the existing record page. Clear? Overview. How to create record page. Again, navigation, tell me. Go to setup. Setup, app builder, and the lightning app builder, and wait for 1 second, 2 seconds, or 10 seconds.
Web component is just a problem list.
Web components, actually, I will tell you, that is code, right? So lightning component, if you have more code, so it will take so much time to load the component in a page. But if you use web component like this, it will load. This navigation, right? These things will be same because it is in lightning right now. Might be going forward, they might change, but right now no same. Okay, so here we are going to create record home page. Click on new button. Third one, right? Click, select this one, and now you can see here. What is this one? Opportunities. Example they have given. What is this called? My top details. Opportunity, my top details. So these are single record, right? Single opportunity. Okay. So these details Okay, that page we are going to override. Single record page. So click on this one. And what is this one called? App Builder. App Builder 1 record. What is the name? Record pager. Record page, right? I'm going to use that one, record page, so that I cannot confuse. Now select object. Which object record you want to override? Okay, you need to select. So what you are going to do? You are going to override any record detail page, any object record detail page. Now if you select account, okay, what will happen? Account record detail page will be override with our custom record page. If you select another object, so case record detail page will be override with our custom record page. Clear? Now I'm selecting account and click on next button. Now you can see again design they have given. So use your own design however you want. Okay, try with that. I'm just using default. Okay, now standard, that's what I'm just using. If you want you can use it, no problem. Click on finish button. So what you can do is go home, we can use different designs, create it. Okay, and after that one remove it, these things again, you create one more thing, again add it and remove it. Try like that, create more components like that. Now you are in app builder. See here, URL. Okay, same thing. Here you need to remember left side lightning, that you need to remember. If you open app builder, what will happen? Left side all components, all type of components will be displayed, standard, custom and those things. And right side description about this one. Okay, what is the type? Page type is record page. In real time if you go there, if you open so many existing this record page, so you can identify like this only, what is this type, where you are using. Okay, that's it. So this is the design I have added, and if you want I can add this one on right side. In middle I can use anything. So a lot of things they have given, right? Path or whatever it may be. Just giving Twitter. Going forward we will create so many components, right? So we will use that components like this. Now we don't have any custom components, we will be limited, but we need to understand the flow and use case. Highlight panel. Okay, so three things I have added. So see, highlight panel selected, top, and here visible lines and anything. So these are called page layouts, guys. So how many account page layouts are there? From here if you click, it will take you to new tab and it will display all existing page layouts. There also you can modify if you want. 1 second, guys. Sorry guys, I got phone. Okay, so these are the page layouts. So at the first of our class I explained you, right? Object manager. Object manager, you can open any object and left side all options will be displayed. So it is taking you to the same way, page layouts, fields. Okay, and object, what is object? Account. So you can see all options from left side only. Okay, that's it. So shortcut from here, it will take you to that account page layouts. Now just save it. Save it. It will ask you, don't worry, activate it. Now again, default to all arcs are separate things. So each record type assign it to app default if you want. So assign to as arc default. Okay, click on next one. So what is this one? For desktop. Save it. Simply click on activation if you want. Again, app default, specific app if you want. Okay, that means if you open sales app and go to account record, then only override like that. Then if you open that account record and another app, it won't act. So that thing, close it, same way, same activation, and back, come back totally. Okay, that's it, keep it. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, now you will see the output, then you can easily understand. Okay, try it. I have used only arc default, and I have, let's see here, refresh the, go to accounts, go to any record, open it, just what is there, this is what I have added. Okay, so edge communication is the record, and but the output is displayed based on our custom record. So that is overriding. Simply what I can say is, in Visual Force page, overriding view button is there. Remember, you can write Visual Force page and just override that Visual Force page for the view button. So what will happen if you open any record? Okay, that VF page only will be displayed. So this is the same concept, but here we are just configuring all the things with the help of Lightning app builder and just overriding the record page. Now open any another record. This is recently viewed. Go to another record, all records. Open any Dixon. Okay, this is another record. Open it. Name is changed, detail values are changed, but design is same. Whatever I have given, Twitter and these things, same. Clear? We are overriding. Okay, go to service. Another app I am going. Go to accounts. Open any one. Let's see here also. It is for all the applications it is same, because we have added argwise default OWD. Okay, so arg default we have set it. So entire organization, if you open any application, it will override. So any questions? Let's do the navigation. Okay, go to another one, contacts. Let's see, all contacts. Open any contact. It is given by Salesforce. We have not overridden these things. So we have override only for account record. Understand? We have override only account record. We have selected object right while creating this one. So that is the reason it will be override only for that one. Now see the navigation. What is the navigation? App builder, navigation, select record page. Next, create or do add components, whatever it may be. Okay, next, activate permissions, activate. Okay, that's it, save it finally. This is the navigation. Next one, use case, where we have used
On existing account.
hmm? Yeah, replacing the existing record detail page. That existing record belongs to selected object. Okay, that's it. So three things we have covered. App builder, with the help of app builder we can create one app page, and we can create home page, custom home page, and we can create a record page also. So app page will be used as a tab, and as a utilities anywhere we can use app page. Okay, and home page will be used to override the standard home page. And third one, record detail page. So this is a custom record detail page. We can override the given standard record detail page. Three things. This is all about app builder. So if you know app builder, if you go to real time, it will be very easy to understand the real time screens. Even to reproduce the steps also, for navigation also, to identify the issues also, you need to know about app builder. If you don't know app builder, you can't reproduce the issue, you can't identify the issue. Okay, that's it. Okay, now you are in app builder. Just open any one app builder. I'm just opening one app builder. Time consuming. Edit this one. Now you can see pages. Okay, these are the what record page we have created and home page we have created, and currently we are on app page. So 3 pages are displaying, right? Simply these are other 2 pages and this is a current page, and if you want you can create from here also simply. So don't go with right now, just we are recording, right? So in going forward, if you want to go back and see how to create, you can see the screen.
Open page means
See here, what are these 3?
what? Yeah.
Simply select it and open directly, edit it simply, I can say. Okay, so currently we are on app page, right? So if you want to open home page, right, simply instead of going that one, simply what is opening here? Home page. Instead of that one, click directly from here, you can open it simply, record page, right? Click on it. No need to go to that one also, might be they have given bold after that one, features are adding, right? Going on. Yeah.
Here, more number of
Here you can see, no need to go everything. Yeah, more number of, so more than 5 or more than 6, more than 10 means then only you can go. Yeah, good. So that's it.
sir, we will add object in this app builder.
Don't compare objects with app builder. We can add tabs,
Yes, sir,
we can add components.
Lead, account, contact that are part of suppose sales object.
Which one these are? Okay.
You said that is the application. No, sir. I have asked you 10 minutes back. This is an app or object. You said this is an application.
Yes, this is an application.
So we will add object to this.
Which one?
If you suppose we create object.
Okay.
After creating, we will add to this application what we have created.
So how we are adding, creating tab only, right? That's it. Tabs you can add it. So you can create lightning component also as a tab. That's what app page is there. Okay. So what is the home page? This is also one tab. Simply understand. So forget about objects here concept. Object okay, even in classic also, how we are adding, displaying object data with the help of tab only. Okay, don't go with objects. But for record page, we need to select object. Which type of object you want to override the record detail page. There only you can select object. So until unless you don't go with objects, all are components, all are tabs, whatever, all are pages, whatever it may be. Yeah. Next one. I want to explain one more thing. Let's see here. Lightning component. We have created lightning component. Where it is? Okay. Okay. So this topic is displaying lightning component to different pages. Simply what I can say is, so how many pages are there here? Tabs we have seen. Okay, so as of now we have seen only one way, right? What we have seen, lightning component we have displayed with the help of app, right? We have created app and displayed lightning component. And second approach, we will see, create one more lightning component. new lightning component. How to create lightning component? Tell me, guys. Okay, next, developer console. Okay, set up developer console. Yeah, we are on developer console. Okay, so file, new lightning component. Now, what is this component? Third one, right? HIRD. Third, remember. Okay, that's it. Now here, right, I am just selecting only tab. Remember, I am just selecting only tab. Otherwise, I am only selecting lightning record page. Let's see lightning record page I have selected. Okay, submit it. What is there? Implements. I told you, right? I will explain this one later. Okay. Okay. We will see one by one. Let's try to remove. Okay. One is Flexi home page. But what we have selected? Record page, right? Record page. Keep it like that. Now I want to create this component is for tab creation. Save it. Now I want to use this component as a tab. As a tab directly. I don't want to create an application. Again, I don't want to use that one there somewhere else. I directly want to display this lightning component as a tab. Let's see how to do it. Go here. You will get issues definitely. Setup. Okay. And app launcher. Okay. Generally, open your app, sales app simply. Come here. See whether our component is displaying or not. First understand. Is it displaying or not? No, right?
No.
What is our component? Come here. Add more items. What is our component name? Second, third, right? 20 September 28th. Second, third.
Second, third.
Yes. Nothing is there, right? So tab is not displaying. Okay. Good. Remember. Okay. So generally, if you create one object, so if you want to create, display as a tab, what you need to do in Classic? If you want to create a tab, how can you create a tab? Normal tabs. Tab creation. Setup, tabs, create a tab. Let's go there and try to create a tab also. Again, go setup, no problem. From here, tabs. Okay, from here you can create tabs. In Classic, we can create tab if you want, guys. Okay, quickly, if you want to create, go to Classic, create a tab. That tabs will be displayed here also. Okay, no problem. Here, what tab we want to create? Lightning component tabs. Remember this one. It's not a Visual Force page. It's not a Lightning page tabs. It's a Lightning component tab. So did you understand this one? Lightning page tabs. App builder, we have seen three, right? App page, home page, record page. App page is there, right? Automatically here it is created tab. We have not created. Automatically it is created. Understand?
So we can the two ways to create lightning app page, either in app builder or
but app builder only we need to follow simply. App builder only, that is a general way of process. But tabs means normal direct tab means from here only we need to create it. That's what we are going to see. So lightning component you have created, and if you want to create a tab, click on this one and it will not display here. Select whether your component is displaying or not. But other two components are displaying. I told you to remember 5 check boxes. Okay, let's explain our one checkbox. Come here, remove these two checkboxes. Okay, let's take one checkbox. While creating one component, lightning component, what is this called? First one. Okay, that means this component will be available in lightning tab only. So that means you can create a tab for this component. That is the use case. If you want to create a tab here, if that component will be available here, that means you need to select this lightning tab, otherwise it will not be displayed there. Understand? Any questions? Go. Okay, what will happen? So let's see, come here, force.app hostable. If you select the checkbox, right, then this will be like this. Implements will be force.app hostable. Okay. Okay. Create a tab for lightning component. Okay. Implements force app hostable. That is the one. Otherwise, you need to select lightning tab. This is nothing but lightning tab. Let's see. Now save it and refresh. App hostable, right? Come here and refresh the page and check whether that component is available or not. Okay. Now can you observe this one? Clear? Any questions? Now select it. So force column app hostable will be used for creating the tab for one component. Simply, that's it. And create it. What is the component? Second, third, give any name, no problem. Tab only. Okay, I'm just giving tab only. Select style. Click on next button. Save it. This is the general problem, guys. Lightning, if you work with. So if you start working on this one, it is okay with you. You will be okay. You need patience. Okay, so I have created one app, right? Tab, lightning component tab. This is the name I have given. Now go back and go to one, refresh any application, and tabs will be available in pencil icon, right? Let's see here. Now it is not added as of now, right? So generally, how to add tabs? Click on pencil and add more. What is the tab name? SCPT. Second, third only, right? This is the
In third.
exactly. Add more tabs. Okay, and save it. Okay, it will be available here. If you want to move this one to top, you need to select there and top it. Move it simply. Click on this tab. What we have added to that one? One component, right? What is the component? This component is for tab creation. That is output, right? Now come here. This component is for tab creation. Clear? One thing we have seen, where creating the lightning component as a tab. Next one. Where is developer console? Try to select one, lightning component. What is the record page? Record page we have seen, right? In app builder. So it will override the existing record detail page. Understand? So for that purpose, if you want to add Okay, our component as a record inside the record page. Inside the record page as a component, if you want to display, we need to select this option. Okay, now select it, no problem. Fourth, or leave it as it is and try to add your one component, this component. Try to add this component there, record home page, and let's see whether it is available or not. First, go to any record where that is added, guys. Accounts. And one more thing I would like to say here, from here, okay, if you want to modify this one, this record detail page, if you want to modify, you need to go to setup under edit page. So two ways, one is from edit page and another one is from go to app builder, there edit it, two ways. So directly from here edit page, it will take you to app builder. You can see app builder URL. Let's check whether our component is displaying or not. No, right? Now come here. So you can add flexi page, record page, and that has record ID is for this purpose only. Remember. So which record ID of the record, it will fetch it and it will store in the back end. We will see that, okay, while creating another one also. Not now. In the coding we will see. Comma and keep it. Available for record home page. Is it a record home page? And has a record ID. And now save it. Now come here. Just refresh this one. Is it available or not? Okay. Previously it was not there, but now it is there. So what is the reason? So we have selected. Let's see here. Second one, add component to record page, right? Record page. What are the options? This is the option. So checkbox is, come here, new lightning component. What is the checkbox? Lightning record page. This is a checkbox. Clear, right? Come here, try to add this one somewhere else, inside of this one also, somewhere right side I'm adding. Okay, save it, go back. Patience. I have added my, this component is for tab creation. Actually I need to update it. Okay, this component is for tab creation. Again add, this is also used for record detail page. Save it, come here, just refresh the page. Sometimes what will happen, you know, if you refresh one time, it will not reflect. You need to refresh one more time also. Now is it reflected or not? Again one more time you need to refresh it. So don't get panic if it is not displaying. Again you need to refresh one more time. Now data is displaying or not? This is the issues. Okay, these are the issues. It will take some more time to refresh. And third one, what is the checkbox? Record page. Simply, okay, lightning page, not record page, lightning page. If you select this one, what will happen? All pages, any page if you want, you can use it simply. Okay, come to this one. What is this one? Flexi. That means like app page we have added, right? There we can use it. In the tabs also we can use, and utility bar also you can use. So go to this one, and if you want you can add here also, comma. So what is this called? Add component to app page or any page. Any page means even record home page also it will display. If you don't, I mean, if you don't use that this one, right? Flexi available for record home, but if you use this one, it will be displayed. All page means all page, record home page, so everywhere. Which one? This one? App page, select checkbox. Okay. Lightning app page, right? Lightning page. That's it. Okay, now available for all pages. So previously, if I don't add this one, so if you want to create an application, so there utilities are there. If you want to add utility, there it will not display. Simply go to any application, second, third, go to this one. Add more items. Let's try to create a new app. Setup, app. Where is app manager? Here. New lightning app we have created right long back, like that. Now it is not there. So utility items are there, right? Click on this one. Now you can see whether is it available or not. Now it is not available. It is available, sorry. Okay. Now remove this one. Okay. Now remove this one. Where is this one? Can I refresh it? Refresh it. New lightning app. I have saved it, right? Yes. Add utility item. Now let's search. What is there? Is it disappeared or not? It's not displaying, right? So what do you understand about all pages? Available for all page types. What is the meaning? It will be available anywhere. If you don't use this one, for example, you can't see in utilities also. Okay. Now clear? What is the utility? Let's try to create one utility. Next. This is I have already explained in our demo class. Select anything. It's nothing but a, in classic we have created, right? Who is the admin? System admin, right? Select, add, finish. I have added. It is displaying at top. Now go back, check in app launcher whether your app is displaying or not. Sample app, right? This is the one which I have created. In our demo class, I have explained clearly. If you want, you can go to the first class. Okay. Where is the utility? Bottom. Whatever you are viewing, this is nothing but utility. Here you can see this is my first ARA component. Okay. All pages. So that's all guys for today, and tomorrow we will discuss about lightning design system. Now we have used, so in how many places we have used, and communities are there. Okay, forget about that communities, and also one more checkbox is there, right? That we are not going to discuss. Quick action, so we will discuss later. Quick action, not now. Once we create one quick action, and there we will use this one.
So, when we are writing code, we should write like the implements directly, right?
We no need to write it. If you select, automatically see here, it will display. Name is already there, right? Sorry. Lightning component, right? So suppose only lightning tab, if you want, change it. Okay. Fourth, we no need to write that implements. See here, that's what I'm always giving these options right side. These are the checkboxes. If you select checkbox, so in the code it will be like this in implements. See if you have any questions. I have selected only lightning tab. Select submit. What is there? Simply, we no need to write anything. So I have given, right, force app hostable is for, yeah, exactly. Okay, so just summary what we have discussed. Tell me. Today class, two classes are there, right? In previous class and this class, what we have discussed. From first, come first. No. Today, what we have discussed. We have created one lightning component, right? Created one lightning component. How we have created?
Developer console.
Developer console, click on new button, created component. Okay, and after that one, we have displayed this component. Okay, how we are displaying? By using, yes, by using lightning app. Okay, we have created one app and we have used this component there. Guys, mute yourself. Noise is, background, some noise is there. Okay, we have used this lightning component. How we have used? C colon component name. Okay, simply close it. That's it. Next,
App builder.
app builder. In app builder, we have seen three options. What is this one? App. Second one,
Home page.
home page. Third one,
Record page.
record page. Okay. In app page, what we have seen? What is the use of? What is the navigation for app page and what is the use of? Navigation is
App
setup,
builder, setup page,
app builder,
create
and from there select app page, create the add all the
permissions,
available components and activate. Yeah, activate, give permission, both are same. Okay, and finally save it. That's it. And what is the use case? I mean, where we have used this app page.
search for a page,
Tabs we have
app,
used.
app launch,
Tabs in apps. And we have seen only one, right? So even like utilities also you can use it, no problem. Okay, try to add utilities also. And also normal, if you search, right, app launcher, in that also it will be displayed directly. Okay, app launcher, search, it will be displayed. Yeah, if you give permission, that user can see exactly based on the permissions. Yeah. Next one. Next is home page. Navigation, same setup, app builder. Again, add all the components, add all needed.
Give,
Activate.
give the permissions.
Activate is nothing but permissions. Okay, always. And
Okay.
next, save it.
So,
So use case. Home page. We can replace existing standard home page for particular app. Home page will be displayed for apps only. Next, third one, record page. So record page purpose, we can use this one to override the existing record. So navigation, setup, app builder,
app builder.
add all whatever needed,
And
activate,
add all
save,
components.
save,
Activity.
save. And use case, one is we can override record detail page. Okay, override any object record detail page. That object we need to select it. And next one, that's it, right? Okay. And again, if you want to go there, record home page. Another way of viewing record home page for particular record. What is the navigation? Setup. What is this one? Open any record. Setup. Edit page is there, right? Edit page. Setup. Edit page. It will like edit page layout. Okay? Exactly. Setup. Edit page. Okay? That's all we have seen. That's all, right? Which one? Yeah, that's we are going to explain now. Next topic, lightning component display. In how many ways we can display? One is with the help of app, that's we have already seen. And third one, second one, so by selecting the tabs. Okay, creating tab. So creating tab means app host. Select the checkbox for tab. And second one, create as app page. Okay, you need to select available for all pages. Okay, implements. So it will be available for utilities also. Okay, next one, anything record page, right? Use in record page. What is this one? Record home page and has record ID. Simply for which record you are doing, that's it. Okay, that's all, guys. How many minutes it will take? 5 minutes, right? Overview, but creating it will take this many hours, no problem. So any questions? Everyone clear, right? So tomorrow at least join by 7:30 or 7:45, we will start the class max. Okay, come by 7:45, and tomorrow we will discuss about SLDS, lightning design system, and I will give a basic idea about our CSS, custom CSS, how the framework is designed, what is the framework, how it came in the back, and how it happens. Okay, we need to see that one. Chalo guys, good night for you guys. and good afternoon for Indian. Bye.
మోహన్ గారు క్వశ్చన్ ఉందండి.
అడగండి.
డెమో క్లాస్ నేను ఫస్ట్ ఒకదానికి
This conference will now be recorded.
So if you want to register, if you want to refer anybody, right? So go to
Yeah.
vlrtraining.in and here click on Salesforce Mohan, and from here, okay, you can see lightning all those details regarding coming classes also. Here demo videos are there.
ఓకే
If you want to go to normal demo videos, this one, and if you have any doubts, right, if you want to contact, come here, just register from here.
ఓకే
Okay,
ఓకే
chalo guys, bye.
ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్స్ అండి, గుడ్ నైట్.
Yeah, good night.